Hello there, and welcome to this moment of peace. I'm so glad you've decided to join me. Let's take a moment to get settled, both physically and mentally. Allow yourself to transition from whatever you were doing before and prepare to be fully present here. Find a comfortable position. This is a time for you, so make sure your body feels supported and relaxed. On a chair, if that feels right for you. Allow your back to be straight, but not stiff. Cushion, perhaps on the floor, if that's your preference. Feel the support beneath you, or wherever you feel supported. The key is to find a posture that allows you to be both alert and at ease. No special equipment needed, just a willingness to be present. Just you right here, in this moment. Everything you need is already within you. Rest your hands in your lap, gently and without tension, or on your knees, whichever feels more natural and comfortable for you. This is your time, a precious opportunity to connect with yourself. A pause in your busy day, a chance to step away from the demands and distractions of daily life. Let go of what came before, any worries or anxieties you might be carrying. And what's coming next? The future will take care of itself. For now, your only task is to simply be, to exist in this present moment without judgment or expectation. If you like, close your eyes gently and softly, or just lower your gaze, focusing on a point in front of you. There are no expectations, no right or wrong way to do this. Just kindness toward yourself. Be gentle and patient with yourself throughout this practice. Notice your intention to be here, to dedicate this time to your well-being. Showing up is the most important step. You've already done the hardest part. Let's take a deep breath together to center ourselves and connect with our bodies. Inhale through the nose, filling your lungs completely. Feel your chest and belly expand, allowing the air to nourish you. Exhale slowly through the mouth, releasing any tension or stress you might be holding. Releasing tension, letting go of anything that no longer serves you. Let everything go with that breath, allowing yourself to be fully present in this moment. No need to force anything, just allow your breath to flow naturally. Just be present here and now. The goal is to notice, to observe without judgment. What's here right now in this very moment? Settle into this space, allowing yourself to feel grounded and secure. Into this moment, embracing the peace and quiet within. Ready to explore mindfulness together, to discover the power of presence. Let's begin on this journey of self-discovery and inner peace. Just breathe and be, and arrive fully and completely in this present moment. So what exactly is mindfulness? It's a term we hear often, but its true essence can sometimes get lost in translation. We're going to explore what it truly means to be mindful and how it can positively impact your life. And what about meditation? How does it fit into all of this? Is it the same thing as mindfulness, or is it something different entirely? We'll unravel the connection between mindfulness and meditation, and how they work together. Mindfulness, at its core, is simply being present and aware. It's about tuning into the here and now, noticing what's happening around you and within you without judgment. It's about being aware of where you are physically, the environment you're in, and what you're doing in that very moment. It's about grounding yourself in the present. It's not about being reactive or overwhelmed by the constant stream of thoughts and emotions that can flood our minds. It's about creating a space between stimulus and response. It's paying attention, noticing the details, the subtle nuances of your experience. Paying attention on purpose, with intention and focus. And most importantly, paying attention in the present moment, not dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Meditation, then, is how we train that skill of mindfulness. It's the practice that allows us to cultivate presence and awareness. It's like a workout for the mind, strengthening our ability to focus, observe, and respond with intention rather than reaction. It helps us step back from our thoughts, creating a little distance between ourselves and the constant chatter in our heads. And in doing so, we can see them clearly, without judgment or attachment. We learn to observe thoughts and feelings as they arise, like watching clouds drift across the sky, without getting caught up in them, without letting them dictate our actions or our mood. It's definitely not about stopping your thoughts altogether, which is an impossible task, or emptying your mind completely, trying to achieve some kind of blank slate. Instead, it's about fundamentally changing your relationship with your thoughts, learning to relate to them in a new and healthier way. Imagine your mind as a busy road, constantly filled with traffic, with cars zooming by in every direction. Those thoughts are like the cars passing by, each one vying for your attention, each one potentially distracting you. You don't try to stop the traffic because that's simply not possible. The thoughts will keep coming. Instead, you just watch it, observing the cars as they pass, without getting pulled into their journey. This practice of mindfulness isn't about trying to become someone else, some idealized version of yourself. It's about being more comfortable with who you already are, accepting yourself with all your imperfections and quirks. Ultimately, mindfulness brings calm to the chaos, a sense of peace amidst the storm. It brings clarity to confusion, helping you see things as they truly are, and contentment to your everyday experiences. It allows you to appreciate the beauty and wonder that exists in everyday life, even in the simplest of moments. And like any skill worth having, it just takes practice, consistent effort, and a willingness to learn. So let's continue this journey with gentle curiosity, approaching each moment with kindness and an open heart. Now, let's bring our attention inward. Notice the contact between your body and the chair or cushion. Feel your feet on the floor, hands in your lap. Sense the air on your skin, the temperature of the room. Notice any sounds, just let them be. Scan your body for tension from head to toe. Soften your jaw, drop your shoulders, release your stomach. Allow your body to settle and relax. This is your transition from doing to being. Feel grounded and present. Let your body feel heavy and supported. From this stillness, turn your attention to the breath. You are here right now. Just notice and be. Now, gently bring your attention to the breath. The breath is always here, anchoring you in the present. No need to change it, just notice it. Where do you feel the breath most clearly? Nose, chest, or belly? Rest your attention there lightly. Follow each inhale and exhale. If your mind is busy, silently note in and out. Notice the pauses between breaths. Don't control the breath, just observe. The body knows how to breathe. Be a curious observer of this rhythm. Each breath is a new moment, each exhale a letting go. Rest your awareness on this gentle rise and fall. Stay with the breath, steady and present. Just breathe. Now, let's expand awareness to the whole body. We'll do a gentle body scan, checking in with each part. Start at the top of your head. Notice any sensations. Move down to your face, soften your forehead and jaw. Let your tongue rest. Bring awareness to your neck and shoulders. Notice tension, let it go. Flow down through your arms to your hands and fingers. Notice sensations, air, or contact. Bring attention to your chest and back, feeling support behind you. Notice your abdomen rising and falling with each breath. Move down through your legs, knees, calves, and feet. Feel the soles of your feet on the floor. Notice your toes. Rest here, aware of your whole body. No need to change anything. Just notice. Let your body be as it is. Breathe and rest. Your mind will wander. This is normal. Minds think, get distracted, and drift. The moment you notice is a moment of mindfulness. When you realize you've wandered, gently acknowledge it. Silently say thinking or wandering. Then kindly guide your attention back to the breath. Treat your mind like a puppy. Gently, patiently, bring it back. This is the practice noticing and returning. It's not about having a perfectly still mind. It's about the cycle of losing focus and gently returning. Each time you strengthen your mindfulness muscle, you cultivate patience and self-compassion. Learn to observe thoughts without getting caught up. Imagine thoughts as clouds drifting by. You don't have to follow each one. Let them pass and return to your anchor, the breath. If your mind is busy, that's okay. Notice and return. Sit with this, allowing thoughts to come and go. Always return, gently, to the breath. Now, gently release any focused attention you've been giving to your breath. Allow your awareness to soften and expand. Let go of any deliberate control, any effort to manipulate or change your breathing pattern. Simply allow your breath to flow naturally, without any interference. Allow your awareness to open wide, like a vast and limitless sky. Expand your perception beyond the confines of your immediate surroundings, embracing the entirety of your experience, like a camera lens adjusting to capture the full panorama before you. Let your awareness take in everything, without judgment or preference. Notice your body, the sensations of contact with the earth, the feeling of the air against your skin, your breath, the gentle rise and fall of your chest or abdomen, the subtle flow of air in and out of your nostrils, sounds both near and far, the rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, the distant hum of traffic, thoughts, fleeting images, memories and feelings, emotions that arise and pass like clouds in the sky. Let everything be as it is, without trying to fix, change, or control anything. Simply observe, allowing each experience to unfold naturally. No need to change or focus on anything in particular. Allow your attention to rest gently on whatever arises in your awareness, without getting caught up in it. In this open awareness, there is a sense of spaciousness, a feeling of freedom from the constraints of your thoughts and emotions. There's space and stillness, a quiet center within you that remains undisturbed by the turbulence of your thoughts and feelings. You are not your thoughts or feelings. They are simply passing phenomena, like clouds drifting across the sky. You are the awareness noticing them, the vast and open sky in which these clouds appear. You are the silent witness, the observer of your own experience. Rest in this spacious, accepting awareness. Allow yourself to be held by this sense of openness and presence. No effort, no striving, simply allowing yourself to be present in this moment, without any agenda or expectation. Just being, pure and simple. Nothing to do, no task to complete, no problem to solve, nowhere to go. You are already here, fully present in this moment. Allow yourself to rest in this moment, just as you are, without judgment or self-criticism. This is self-care, a profound act of kindness and compassion towards yourself. Allowing things to be as they are, accepting your experience without resistance or judgment. Notice your whole body breathing, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. A unified field of sensation, a seamless integration of all your physical and emotional experiences. Feel the gentle rhythm of life within you, the ebb and flow of energy, the subtle pulsations of your being. There is peace in this simple state of being, a deep and abiding sense of tranquility that transcends the ups and downs of daily life. If your mind gets busy, if thoughts start to race or emotions become overwhelming, don't judge yourself or try to suppress them. Just notice and return to this open awareness, gently guiding your attention back to the present moment, like a mother soothing a restless child. Rest in the here and now, the only place where life truly exists. Let your mind and body settle, like sediment slowly sinking to the bottom of a clear pool. No goal to achieve, no destination to reach. Just be present, fully and completely, with kindness and openness, embracing yourself and your experience with compassion and understanding. Rest here, in the stillness and silence of your own being. As we close, gently bring awareness back to the room. No rush, move slowly and mindfully. Notice your body in the chair, feet on the floor, feel the support beneath you. Begin to move. Wiggle fingers and toes, roll shoulders, stretch if you like. Move in a way that feels good after stillness. Notice sounds around you, near and far. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Let the light and colors come into focus. No need to label or analyze, just see. Notice how you feel, whatever that may be. There's no right or wrong way to feel. The benefits of practice are subtle and build over time. Just notice your state, without judgment. Before you return to your day, thank yourself for this time. You've given your mind and body a chance to rest. Appreciate your effort in showing up. The aim is to carry mindfulness into the rest of your day. Be a little more present in whatever you do next. Remember, you can return to this practice anytime. The breath is always there as an anchor. Even one mindful breath can make a difference. Carry this peace with you. Silently wish yourself well. May I be happy, peaceful, and free from suffering. Thank you for practicing with me today. Take care. Please subscribe and like.